What do you see on the cover? I see, so that is our title, right? So what is the title? The title is penguin. It is a very cute penguin. What color is this penguin? This penguin looks black, maybe dark blue. So let's read. I am a penguin. I live in Antarctica. Do you know where Antarctica is? When we look at this, do you know what this is called? What is this? This is called a globe. So when we look at the globe, it's at the most bottom part of the globe and Earth, right? So we can roll it up to see Antarctica. Antarctica is very down south. And who lives in Antarctica? Or what lives in Antarctica? Penguins. This penguin lives in Antarctica. Now, if we look at the background, what do you think? How is the weather? The weather seems very, very cold, right? It's very cold. So what season is it? And what do you see? What is falling from the sky? I am a bird, but I cannot fly. So this penguin, what can it not do? What can it not do? It's a bird, but it cannot. So what is it doing? It looks like it's jumping. It looks like it's hopping and waddling. So what do you see in the background? They look like Christmas trees, but do you know what kind of trees they are? How many do you see? I have black and white feathers. What do you see in the background? I see another animal. Do you know what this animal is called? What color is this animal? What's behind the penguin? And what color is the penguin? What color is the penguin, and what does it have? What color feet does the penguin have? What is the penguin standing on? I like to swim and slide. What do you like to do? What do penguins like to do? I eat fish and krill. Do you know what krill is? Krill, when you look at a krill, what does it remind you of? What do you think of when you see a krill? Do you like fish? This penguin, what does it eat? Once again, what does it eat? I waddle and waddle. Can you waddle like me? You can also pronounce it waddle. All right, so what is the penguin doing? What is the boy next to the penguin doing? What is the boy wearing? The boy looks very warm. Here, you can look at the life cycle of a penguin. So you can cut these out and go ahead and glue them on and create the life cycle of penguin. Let's go on to the workbook. So let's talk about the parts of a penguin. Let's talk about the parts of a penguin. So the first one we see here, repeat after me. This is called a bill. Bill and bill. Do you know what a bill is? What do you think a bill is? It acts as the penguin's mouth and looks a little bit like a nose, but it's not the nose, but it acts like the mouth, right? So we are going to, let's see. Let me get my line here. So where does the bill go? It looks like the bill goes right here. The next one we have are flippers. Can you say flippers? Flippers. Flippers. So what are the flippers? So penguins use flippers to waddle a bit to side. They use it to attempt to fly. They can't, but they use it to attempt. They use their flippers to swim, to grab. So it's like the arms, right? It's the penguin's arms, almost essentially. So where is this going to go? This is going to go right here. And the next one is web feet. Right? Web feet. So they really need this to waddle and walk and run and jog. No, I don't think penguins jog. So where is this going to go? They're little waddling web feet. This is going to go right here. Next one are called feathers. Can you say feathers? Feathers. Feathers. Feathers is like the hair they have on their body. Not necessarily hair, but it's like it, right? So where is this going to go? The feathers are going to go right here on top of their chest and belly. And the next one we have is an egg. Can you say egg? Egg. So a penguin, when the penguin is a baby, or before it's a baby, it needs to hatch out of its egg. Penguins lay eggs. So this is before it is born and cracked and hatched out of this egg. The next one we have is alphabet dot to dot, right? Alphabet dot to dot. So here we go. This one, I'm not going to do everything with you. I'm just going to start the first few. So we're going to start right here and repeat after me. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and do the rest by yourself. If you know the song, you can sing the song too. H, I, J, K. Whoop, I helped you too much. So you can cut these out. You can cut these out for later use. Let's go to the next page. So let's look for the odd one out. So we're going to find the penguins that are different. So in the first row here, which penguin is different and why? Why is it different? It looks like the third penguin is different. Why is it different? Now, it looks like it is facing to the other direction, right? All of the other penguins have their one leg up and they're looking straight ahead. And their scarf is to, when we look at it, the scarf is to the left. When we look at it, the scarf is to the left. But the third penguin, the scarf is to the right. One leg is not up and it's looking, it's like it's kind of curved to the other direction. So I'm going to circle this penguin. It's different. Here we go. Which one is the odd penguin here? Which one is the odd one out? It looks like this penguin is a little bit different, right? This penguin's arm, one of it is a bit more up than the other one. And yeah, I think that's it. The arm is a little bit different. That's all. So let's look at the next one. Which one is the odd one out? The hint here is you have to look at the webbed feet. Look at the webbed feet. What do you think? Well, if looking at the webbed feet, it looks like the fourth penguin is different because all of the other penguins have black webbed feet. This one, it looks like it has gray webbed feet, gray webbed feet. Finally, which one is the odd one out? Did you find it? It's the first penguin. The first penguin has different types of ice skate. Oh, no, it doesn't have it on. It only has shoes on. Well, why do penguins have shoes on? But it only has shoes, and the rest of the penguins are wearing ice skates. All right, so let's do our picture puzzle. Do you know how to do the picture puzzle? You're going to go to the next page. You're going to cut this out, and you're going to glue it on to the frame. And then we're going to trace the title. So everyone, what is the title? Can you tell what the title is? The title is Happy Feet. Happy Feet. This is a movie from a long, long time ago, directed by George, I don't remember his name, whoops. So, sorry. The title is Happy Feet, so let's go ahead and spell it together. We need a capital big H, A, P, P, whoop, Y, happy. Sorry, that's a terrible Y, but it's very hard to write with the computer mouse. And we have feet, F, E, E, T, F-E-E-T. All right, so here are some extra pieces that you can cut off and use. So for here, we're going to find the correct shadow. Which one matches its shadow? So this one, it looks like it has a bit, it's dressed up as a reindeer and it has antlers and a bell. So which one is this? Which one is the correct shadow? There we go. It looks like this one is the correct shadow. So you can match it up with a line or you can cut it out and glue it on. Let's go for the easy ones first. What does this one have on the top of its head? It has a star, right? So which shadow has a star? This one has a star. I'm going to go with the easy ones first, okay? The easy ones. So let's look at this one. This one, what is this penguin wearing? Well, it looks like this penguin has a beard. And another thing it has on is a Santa hat, right? So which shadow looks like it's wearing a Santa hat? This one looks like it's wearing a Santa hat. So this one is the correct shadow. Let's look at the one wearing the hat. This one is wearing a hat and a scarf. So which shadow looks like it has a hat and a scarf on? This one right here, right? So this one is the correct shadow. Let's look at the one on the bottom right below it. So this penguin, does it have its arm up or down? That's right, it has its arms up. So which shadow has its arms up? This penguin right here. This penguin right here has its arms up. And this penguin finally here has its arms down. So it looks like its shadow match is right here. Very good. Good job. So we're going to go on to the next page. So here we are. We're going to compare numbers. So we're comparing numbers with greater than, less than, and equal to. So 2 and 5. Which one am I going to draw here? Let me first explain the signs. So we have two numbers here. If the number on the left is bigger, larger than the number to the right, we're going to use this sign called greater than. This is greater than. It means, so imagine a shark. Imagine this is a shark. And this shark only eats big numbers. It eats the bigger number because it's hungry. It's eating the bigger number. So this sign is called greater than. Can you say greater than? Greater than. If the number on the right is bigger than the number to the left, then we're going to use the sign of less than. Can you say less than? Less than. Greater than, less than. And finally, we have something called equal to. Equal to. So equal to means the numbers on the right or the left and right are the same. So it means they're the same, and the shark has nothing to eat, so it turns into an equal sign. So this is equal to. So one more time, this is greater than. Can you say greater than? Greater than. This is less than. Whoops, sorry, this looks very weird. This is less than, and this is equal to. Equal to. So let's try it out. So 2 and 5. Is 2 greater than 5 or less than 5? Which one is bigger? It seems like the 5 is bigger, so we're going to draw the shark to eat it to number 5. So this is called less than. So we would read this as 2 is less than 5. So 6 and 9. Which one is bigger? Which one is greater? It looks like number 9 here is the bigger number, right? So we're going to say 6 is less than 9. 6 is less than 9. We have 10 and 8. Which one is greater? Which one is less? So which sign do we use here? It's going to be greater than. 10 is greater than 8. We have 7 and 7. Ooh, this is easy. So what are we going to put down here? We're going to put down the equal sign. 7 is equal to 7. They're the same. 7 is equal to 7. What about this one? We have, which one is the bigger number? We have 4 and 3. Which one is the bigger number? The shark is going to eat number 4. 4 is greater than 3. All right, so the next one we have 9 and 1. Ooh, 1 is clearly bigger than the other one. So it looks like 9 is greater than 1. 9 is greater than 1. We have 5 and 5. So what are we going to say? 5 is equal to 5, right? And next one, finally, we have 3 and 8. What are we going to say? Well, it looks like the shark is going to eat number 8. So we would say 3 is less than 8. Very nice. Excuse me. Let's talk about penguin shapes and the shape of the penguin. So we're going to find the same shape and complete the penguin. We have different types of shapes that are penguins. So the first one, what is this called? This shape is called a triangle. The triangle penguin, which one is the triangle penguin? This is the triangle penguin. So go ahead and cut it out and glue it on. Next one, we have a square. We have a square penguin. It has a little Santa hat on the edge here on the corner. Here's a square penguin. And we have a rectangle penguin. Can you say a rectangle penguin? Rectangle. I'm going to do this here. Rectangle penguin is here. Next one, we have an oval penguin. An oval is like a circle, but it's a little bit longer to the side. So an oval penguin is right here. Oval penguin. The next one, we have a hexagon penguin. A hexagon penguin. So Hexagon penguin is right here. This is called a hexagon. This shape is a hexagon. And then finally, we have a circle penguin. And here is our circle. So go ahead and cut it out or match it up with your lines. I'm going to go to the next page. So here we go. Penguin, penguin, what can you do? Penguin, penguin, can you? We're going to ask questions. So penguin, penguin, can you swim? Can a penguin swim? Yes, I can. So we're going to put swim here. You can write it on here, glue the picture on here. So here we go. Penguin, penguin, can you dive? Dive is when you go into the water, right? Well, if it can swim, it probably can dive, right? So yes, I can. Penguin, penguin, can you run? So can a penguin run? Can it be running? I think so. I think so. Yes, I can. If you don't think so, you're going to say, no, I can't. I think it can run. Or maybe it can only waddle. Penguin, penguin, what can you do? Penguin, penguin, can you slide? Yes, I can. I think it can. Penguin, penguin, can you sing? I think penguins can make sounds, but I don't think they can sing. So no, I can't. Penguin, penguin, can you swing? No, I can't. Penguin, penguin, can you catch fish? Yes, I can. I think a penguin can catch fish. Not like this, though. I don't think it uses a fishing pole to catch a fish, but I think it can catch fish. Finally, penguin, penguin, can you fly? What is the answer? I'm not going to help you. What's the answer? So here, let's play the Feed the Penguin game. So you're going to cut these out, and how you play is you're going to cut these out and connect your arms of the needle arms to its board, and you're going to spin it, and whatever color it matches the shape, you are going to feed the penguin. So go ahead and try this out with your mom or dad, and then continue to practice your sight words with your mom and dad. And here are some extra pieces. Good job.